Wix File Share tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can install the Wix File Share and how you can set up the permissions and also set up the download for the files. It is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over the site's dashboard. Once you are going to be in this place, select the website that you want to add the Wix File Share to. Click on select and edit site, wait for the dashboard to load up in just a few seconds, and from here we're going to click on edit site. You're going to find this button either if you are going to be on the setup page or the home page. Now once you have clicked on here, it is going to load up the website of yours. Of course it is not going to be that fast because I have preloaded that website. It is going to be taking from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now what we're going to do is going to be very basic and very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen and select from here add apps. We're going to get the access to the Wix app market. So from here we're going to click on the search app here over there. We have two places. Type in Wix File Share. So this is a problem. What was happening in here. So we are going to head over the apps again, wait for the market to load up properly. I think that we've got a problem. Wix File Share, like that, and normally we are going to find this. Click on it and this is the official app. So this is it. It is going to be created by Wix. It is a free app to install. And as you can see, we can share any file format on our website, control who can view, download, or upload, and manage the files and folders. And we're going to find that we have the you can go ahead and create the private folders for the selected members, offer subscription plans, and etc. So we're going to have here, as you can see, the app. Click on add here. So we're going basically here to have the Wix File Share installed. It is going to be very simple. Wait for a few seconds and it is going to be here. So it is going to open up the file share page to you. So normally you're going to find the file page right there. So let's see here. Light boxes, Wix site search, booking page. It is going to be in here, so it was created within the site menu, and here we have it, file share. You're going to find, as you can see, the files. We can have the private and also the public. You can go ahead and click on add file, and you're going to have your admins right there. So you can go ahead and click on settings. From the settings, you can manage the files or customize them. If you're going to click on manage files, it is going to open up the dashboard. You have the file share in here. You can have the file, for example, like the FAQ or the welcome to something in here. It is not going to be, should be a file share.pdf or something. It's going to be only a file like that. So I can go ahead and view the file like this, or we can go ahead and have some permissions like downloading like sharing it, view on site, rename it, move it, or delete it. And also we can go ahead and click on add new. Either you are going to create a folder or add a file. So from here you're going to have, as you can see here, the files. So you can go ahead and upload a file, for example having this file, and then we can have some contributors. So as you can see, we can view and also set up the file as it is. So you can also have the file downloaded or moved to another specific, let's say, placement. This is going to be the file share for Wix within the free one. So if you're going to make it as a pricing plan or add a subscription, you can earn money from the files by adding a pricing plan or app right there. So aside from that, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and click on customize. We can see the library permissions and see who can view and download the items. You can set all the site visitors or all the members. It is going to be up to you. So who can upload files? You can go ahead and put, for example, admins or all members. I'm going to specify it only for admins. You can create a new category for here, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to let it only for the admins. Who can manage the library? We're going to give it also for the admins. We are not going to give it to the members. Maybe in some cases you can go ahead and give it to the members. Now, for the display, you can go ahead and customize the app by showing up the file size and also the folder items, set up the last updated or see the views counter and also the favorites counter, the contributors, and etc. For design, you can design the file and folder icons, buttons and actions, and table backgrounds. So we can see here that we have some PDFs like lines, labels, PDFs, and etc. You can set up the file color by type, for example, and also select a color for the folder right away. And for the button actions, you can go ahead and set up the colors and also the type of paragraph and the button corner radius. For table and as you can see background, you can change the type of the paragraphs that has been implemented or the fonts and the text, also the colors. Aside from that, for the add-ons, you can go ahead and add some file share add-on as you can see into this specific area. So that is going to be all the customization for the specific, as you can see here, file share on Wix, and here you have it. So if you're going to be interested in adding more files, you can go ahead and head over your dashboard just like that, or click on the section itself, click on settings, click on manage. So we are going to repeat the step, click on manage. You're going to see the dashboard, wait for it, and it is going to be right there. So you can manage it with the AI, so you can set folder permissions or connect a pricing plan for these. As you can see, you can connect a pricing plan for each one of the as you can see here, for the folder or whatever you want. So I'm going to head over here. This folder is going to be created for specific members. You can go ahead and add a new folder, click on save, and this folder is going to be specific. So you can see that you can add some files, and also you can go ahead and have the view or the permission of that folder. So I'm going to have the permission for the folder that we have created. So you can go ahead and click on permission and set up the permission for it. But for the file, you cannot set up the permission because it is going to be a public file basically and not something else. So if I'm going to create another folder just like that, I can go ahead and click on permissions and not give it for all members, but only can view. Click on save and it is going to be specific right there. Now, you can go ahead and click on connect a pricing plan, create a plan for it. So you're going to make some money out of the folders and also the files that you're going to share on your Wix website. And you can have some subscription or one-time payment. So I'm going to have it as a one-time payment, for example, create a membership for it, and also set up the benefits and the pricing plans, the settings, their current plans, if you are going to put some subscriptions and etc. So that is going to be very easy and simple. And basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.